Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat incorrect password. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat incorrect password, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will search about this Snapchat. When you find this list of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.